Speaking at the United Nations Security Council briefing on the Middle East, Guyana's permanent representative, Carolyn Rodrigues-Burkett, expressed deep concerns over the escalating violence, blockade of aid, and devastating impact on Palestinian civilians, especially women and children. She urged Israel to lift its blockade, uphold international humanitarian law, and prioritize peace.
Palestinians are observing another Ramadan, marked by deprivation and renewed destruction. More than 400 of them were reportedly killed in the last 24 hours.
Rodrigues-Burkett criticized the halting of humanitarian aid into Gaza since March 2, calling it illegal under international law. She noted that the humanitarian process achieved following the previous ceasefire agreement had been completely reversed, plunging Palestinians back into severe hardship.
Palestinian women and girls who continue to bear the brunt of the decisions taken by those in power. Civilian women and girls have been reportedly targeted directly. Women have died from complications related to pregnancy and childbirth because of restrictions imposed and conditions created by the war.
Guyana's representative highlighted the harrowing impact of war on Palestinian women and girls, citing reports of sexual violence, denial of reproductive health care, and lack of sanitary essentials. She condemned the systemic gender-based violence and warned that denying access to food, water, and health care has led to severe reproductive health consequences.
As reported by UNICEF, without aid entering the Gaza Strip, roughly 1 million children are again living without the very basics they need to survive.
Guyana has reaffirmed its commitment to peace, calling for a lasting, just, and comprehensive resolution based on the two-state solution. Rodrigues-Burkett demanded the release of hostages and Palestinian detainees held without charge, urging the international community to set up a humanitarian aid effort to support Gaza's recovery and reconstruction. Rodrigues-Burkett called on the international community to act decisively in addressing the humanitarian catastrophe unfolding in Gaza and ensuring a future of peace and dignity for both Palestinians and Israelis. She concluded by urging Israel and Hamas to prioritize civilians' lives and return to ceasefire negotiations. Tiana Cole reporting for the HGPTV News.